She likes healthy stuff.
Well, you got to 4 now, so that's good. Okay. From 5. Yeah?
I wonder if I should get her anything.
Alright, from 5, and you're just going to shake him a little bit more because if you jump long on this jump.
She had chocolates and stuff yesterday.
Oh, there goes sexy Leonie.
Shake!
They're very yummy.
Nice. Oh.
Wow! Thank you. That's hard.
Oh, the line's coming out. Ha ha. Don't cross the line. She liked them, yeah? Oh, I'm going to keep eating them, though. I didn't bring anything.
Thank you. Missed.
Oops. Oh. Has Caroline spoken to you? Apparently they're definitely using Bo.
When did she make that decision?
You're videoing, can't introduce you. They don't want to use Lass. Is this recording?
Are you hot yet?
I know it's only AJ. Lass, Vicky and Deb don't get along. Donna doesn't want to use a dog that will upset.
Where are you and my printer?
Someone doesn't like their halty, huh?
Someone doesn't like it. Oh my god, I got a friend!
When other dogs are doing agility.
So this one's Soda? And you're a novice too.
Oh,
I know, and they're all going to Newcastle. No, that's mine! Get out of the way!
It's going to be pouring with rain when we get enough better.
No rain, no rain. Look, today they said rain. Is it raining?
you don't need to do a front cross on 4.
We put the order in for special weather.
Special sunshine for the big girls.
Yeah, yeah.
That was big.